Which home exercise bike is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't so easy when every model claims to be quiet, sturdy, and perfect for weight loss. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the real differences that matter, so you don't waste your time or cash. Product number 1. Merak Friction Black Bike. The Merak Friction Black stationary bike at $199.49. Right away, what stands out is the self-developed app integration and 300-pound weight capacity at this price point. If you want smart tracking without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The app connects via Bluetooth, syncs with Google Fit and Apple Health, and even works with Zwift and KinoMap, so you're not locked into one ecosystem. The multi-slot silent belt drive keeps noise under 25 decibels, which means you can pedal at 6 a.m. without waking your partner. The seat adjusts 4 ways, and the handlebars 2 ways, fitting riders from 4'8" to 6'2", and it comes 80. Product number 2. Merak Magnetic Black Bike. If the friction resistance on the previous Merak worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Merak Magnetic Black model at $269.99 upgrades nearly everything, especially the resistance system. Instead of brake pads, it uses Whisper Quiet magnetic resistance with industrial-grade bearings, cutting noise by 30% compared to traditional flywheels. That means smoother, quieter rides, ideal if you're near neighbors or working out late. The reinforced inverted triangle frame with 2.00mm steel is 40% more stable under max load, and the electrophoretic coating resists rust 3 times better than standard paint. You also get micro-adjustable resistance from 0 to 100%, so whether you're warming up or crushing a hill climb, the tension feels precise. The app works the same, Zwift, KinoMap, real-time metrics, but the overall build quality just feels more premium. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're investing in long-term fitness and want a bike that won't creak or wobble during sprints, this stability is crucial. Now, some users might find the higher price hard to justify when the cheaper Merak already has app support. And honestly, if you're only casually cycling, you might not notice the difference. But here's the thing, the magnetic system requires zero maintenance, lasts longer, and delivers a studio-quality feel. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, quiet, high-performance bike and are willing to pay a bit more for longevity. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or only plan to use it occasionally. It's a step up in every way, except the price tag. Product number 3. Yosuda Magnetic Bike. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for value-focused buyers. The Yosuda at $189.99 undercuts the Mirach Magnetic by $80, while still offering magnetic resistance and app connectivity. Yosuda's been in the fitness game for over 20 years and trusted by 3 million families. That kind of track record means something. The 25 pounds flywheel and belt-driven system deliver a smooth, quiet ride, and the steel frame supports up to 300 pounds. The LCD monitor tracks time, speed, distance, and calories, and the tablet holder lets you stream workouts or music. It's 80% pre-assembled, so setup takes about 30 minutes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want reliable performance without overpaying for branding, Yosuda delivers where it counts. The app support isn't as polished as Mirach's, but it still connects to Bluetooth and offers basic course options. Now, some people complain the seat isn't as cushioned as higher-end models, and yeah, after 45 minutes, you might feel it. But here's the thing, for under $200, you're getting magnetic resistance, solid construction, and a brand with decades of experience. This is perfect for you if you want a no-frills, dependable bike that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need advanced app features or plan on long daily rides. It's simple, effective, and built to last. Product number 4. Relife Stationary Bike. If budget is your top priority, this next one is the most affordable at just $136.99. The Relife bike uses a friction-based belt drive system that's still quiet, under 25 decibels, and supports up to 280 pounds. It's built with a triangular steel frame for stability, and the seat is upgraded with spring cushioning to reduce discomfort. You get infinite resistance adjustment, a tablet holder, and an LCD monitor that tracks all your basics. It's 80% pre-assembled and fits users from 4'8" to 5'8", though taller riders might feel cramped. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tight on space and cash, this bike delivers core functionality without the extras. Relife has been around for 20 years, so they're not a fly-by-night brand. Now, some buyers note the shorter height range and lack of app connectivity, and that's a real limitation. If you're over 5'8" or want digital coaching, this won't cut it. But here's the thing, for under $150, you're getting a sturdy, quiet bike that does the job. This is perfect for you if you're under 5'8", new to cycling, or need a backup bike for travel. Skip this one if you're tall or want smart features. It's bare bones, but honest value.
Product number 5, YPO Magnetic Bike. The YPO at $159.98 strikes a smart balance between price and performance. It uses magnetic resistance with industrial bearings and ABS pulleys, keeping noise under 25 dB, perfect for apartments. The YPO Fit app offers unlimited courses and works with KinoMap and Zwift, so you're not stuck with basic workouts. The dual triangle H-frame supports up to 330 pounds, and the 4-way adjustable seat fits riders from 4'8" to 6'1". You also get dual water bottle holders, transport wheels, and a tablet mount. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want app-driven motivation without paying $250, this hits the sweet spot. Now, some users report this seat could be softer for long rides, and yeah, it's not plush. But here's the thing, for under $160, you're getting magnetic resistance, app integration, and a weight capacity that beats most competitors. This is perfect for you if you want smart features, quiet operation, and room to grow. Skip this one if you need ultra-premium comfort or a commercial-grade build. It's a hidden gem at a fair price.
So which one should you buy? If you're on a tight budget, go Relife. Want the best value with app and magnetic resistance? Waipu or Yosuda. Need top-tier build and quiet performance? Merak Magnetic. And if you're just starting and want smart features cheap, the original Merak works. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly what they are. Drop your questions below, and I'll help you pick the right one.